कोई कैंडिडेट लिख दे बेशक कि मैं फलां पार्टी से हूँ, वो मानी नहीं रखता, मानी वो रखता है
My lord,
पार्टी उसको।
it's a you have to do two things.
फिर आपने वही किया,
My lord, I apologize.
आपने नोट करें ना क्वेश्चन।
Noted, my
अब
lord.
चलें आगे पढ़ें, फिर हम फिर आ जाइएगा उस पे सवाल।
ठीक है जी.
If I have correctly understood you, that the election symbol is the determinant factor for identifying a candidate to be a political party's candidate or not. Is that your case?
Yes.
How do you
common election symbol is the symbol. My lord, there's two kinds of symbols.
How do you reconcile this with subsection 2 of section 215?
My lord, 215. So I'm not even reading it, but I know it's the section for allocation of symbols.
No, it is a
For that, 215 says.
अब 66
when combination of political
66 to
parties
67 पढ़ेंगे।
My lord, मैं पढ़ना चाह रहा हूँ, but I have to answer every question that's asked of me.
Let's get
My lord regulates the proceedings. I will
let's get the rules. By all means note the questions. Maybe in your submissions it will get answered, maybe it doesn't get answered.
Fair
So
enough.
at least I can understand it becomes very difficult to
My lord,
address so
fair
many
enough.
questions simultaneously.
I'll come
अभी
to 66.
आप रुक गए, फिर आप 66 पढ़ना था,
जी,
वो फिर आप
मैं आ गया 66 पे, and I'm grateful, my lord, for
जी।
66, my lord. My lord, 66 and 67 in my humble submission will answer, my lord, Mr. Justice Mujib Akhtar's
पढ़िए
case.
पढ़िए।
Candidate to file certificate of party affiliation. A contesting candidate, before seeking allotment of a prescribed symbol, shall file a declaration before the returning officer about his affiliation with a particular political party, if any, along with a certificate from the political party showing that he is that party's candidate from the constituency. 67. 1. If after withdrawal, if any, there are more than one contesting candidates in the constituency, the returning officer shall allot, subject to any direction of the commission, one of the prescribed symbols to each contesting candidate.
Prescribed means
My lord, prescribed means prescribed by rules. There are two separate sets of symbols. There are two pools. One pool is for general seats and there's a separate pool for independents. And the rules regulate this. And all the symbols are provided in the rules. A candidate nominated by a political party at an election in any constituency shall be allotted symbol allocated by the commission to that political party under the provisions of chapter 12 and no other symbol. A candidate, this is my answer, my lord, a candidate not nominated by any political party, hereinafter called as independent candidate, shall choose and shall be allotted one of the symbols not allocated to any political party in the following manner.
नहीं, अगर कोई कैंडिडेट लिख दे बेशक कि मैं फलां पार्टी से हूँ, वो मानी नहीं रखता, मानी वो रखता है
My lord,
पार्टी उसको।
it's a you have to do two things.
फिर आपने वही किया,
My lord, I apologize.
आपने नोट करें ना क्वेश्चन।
Noted, my
अब
lord.
चलें आगे पढ़ें, फिर हम फिर आ जाइएगा उस पे सवाल।
ठीक है जी. My lord, then I read section 68.
ये खत्म हो गया ये आप
जी, my lord, मैंने क्योंकि वो नीचे तो it's not relevant to me.